Ads on mobile phones, digital advertising, I always knew it was a big potential there, but to be honest, I didn't have a clue on how to get started. Everybody's talking about clicks, impression, but what we really want is to have real people coming into the shop. My name is Caterina, and I'm the founder of SeeMe, a fair trade certified brand. All our jewelry is handmade by women victims of violence based in the Middle East. Our final goal is very simple. We just want to replace violence with love. We've done a lot of things to promote our store and to get new customers. What we really want in reality is for people that live nearby and that are able to see our ads and walk into our store. With GoTo at a fixed price, we could pick up who and where we want to reach. We have chosen a women aged between 25 and 45 who live or work within 2 kilometers from our store. In 2 weeks, GoTo helped us to get over 20,000 potential customers to see our ad and the right number of times, just enough to make an impact and motivate them to walk into our store, just like they guarantee. We started to see more people coming into the store almost right after we started the GoTo campaign. Some people came because they were nearby, they were curious about our fair luxury concept, but most people learned about the story, fell in love with the mission, and bought something. And the best thing is, I had full control of how we spend our money and a guarantee on how many people will see our ad. In the process, I've learned something about clicks and impression, of course, but what I really care about is that we got real customers and real results.